Showtime right now. If you don't know what Showtime is, it is a Filipino variety show that happens every day from Monday to Friday or Saturday, I'm not sure. And it's basically where people go and play a lot of games and like watch music and stuff like that. So it's like 9 o'clock, it's pretty early, but oh, this walking is making me tired.
Yes, my name is, my channel is Clark Mantilla, youtube.com /Clark Mantilla TV.
Yay! He did all my videos. He's the sweetest. Ah! Thank you, Clark. Before the show started, we had a few activities going on. We had a few activities going on, and now they're serving us lunch, and we got this. It is called Is the Amazing, and it's kind of interesting.
Don't let it stay too much in your mouth. Eat it.
Oh my god,
This is what they're talking. This is their reaction. What's yung maingon ninyo?
It's the amazing.
Fish.
It's the amazing.
So that's what it is. You would think it's something else,
Yes,
but
guys,
it's actually what the
Some
heck?
people are wondering why I don't eat fish.
It's actually a hot
because,
dog.
It's
I've never seen a hot dog. I mean a fish turned into a hot dog before, so I'm gonna try it out. It's the amazing. It's the amazing. It's the amazing.
14, yes. 14. How'd you find it? How'd you find it? No, it was not lost to begin with. I don't like your face, so I don't like your face. I stopped. I stopped recording because I didn't like your face.
Oh, it's good. It's like a slow torture.
But we're finished. Don't it stay in your mouth.
Who are you excited to see?
I don't know. I just want to be able to see people that like I've seen on TV. I don't know their names. Not all. I know Vice. I know. Yeah, that's it.
You're my people. Show my handshake. So we're a few seconds away from getting in. Seconds, minutes. To getting into the studios, and then we're gonna go do everything and watch the show. So, don't really watch a whole bunch of Showtime, but I've seen this before. Don't watch TV for that matter. Jomi, sino crush mo?
Si Arjo Atay. Ay, sa Showtime?
Yeah, sa Showtime.
Vice? Dahil love
Vice
si
ganda.
Bong. Ay, tisa, si Ronnie. Ay.
Oh, hey, look at that.
Ingat lang po sa step,
pretty deep steps. Ooh. So it does look like, oh hey, it's not as big as it looks like on TV, I guess. Because they stretch out the screen. Oh my gosh, I think they're gonna put us in front. That's pretty cool. Ha? Kay ano po, kay Matt.
Guys, Bernie. Oh, thank you, Bernie. Salamat, ha.
94.4%.
Dito ba tinitingnan mo?
Kaya dadasal ko kayo lahat ng pulis sa akin. Gawin kayo na bahala sa akin. Ang nanalo sa araw na ito ay ang dating kampiyon ng John Roland Gala. Congratulations!
Meron na siyang 180,000
Ay, laki na!
pesos.
Oh, galing yan.
So we just came from Showtime. It was a pretty long show, around like 3 hours. We were there since like 8 o'clock. It was pretty fun. Our friend was really lucky. He got a chance to win 10,000 pesos, and he got like really long airtime. But he didn't say hi to me, so we don't like him anymore. I'm talking to you, Carlo. But yeah. So now we're gonna go have lunch, and then we're gonna go watch a movie, Parental Guard, the Super Parental Guardian. Vice Ganda is in it, and Vice Ganda is really funny. I like him. So I'm excited to do that, but right now I just really need to eat because I'm starving. So yeah, we'll see how that goes.
Nobody put me on. You hear me, shawty? And I did this shit on my own. You hear me, shawty? Nobody put me on, but it's okay. When you see a new man, you tell him it's a fuck you, cause I fucked you. And you know I'm gon' do, you know I'm gon' do. Yeah, girl, let me show you, girl, let me show you. Yeah, you know that shit changed.
So if you guys watch Unspoken Words, I'm pretty sure that they shoot it here, or they at least shot one video here. And I think I see someone that I know, or I don't know.
Babalikan lang natin ni Matt.
Oh, that looks cool.
I can make you famous, you know, girl. Yeah. I can make you famous. I can make you famous. Yeah. I can make you famous. Famous. Yeah. Famous. And I just want some balls to come and kick it.